Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to set display orientation in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. From there, go to System and click on Display. Under Scale and Layout, go to Display Orientation. Then adjust the orientation to fit your connected display based on your preference. You can choose from Landscape, Portrait, Landscape Flipped, and Portrait Flipped. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.